Hey, what's up guys? It's Young Vegan Old Vegan here, and tonight we'll be trying a new recipe.
We're going to try a vegan burger that we're going to make from scratch this time. We're not just going to open cans and packages. We're actually going to do it all from the very beginning. And anyway, our friend John found the recipe, and it looks really good. So we're looking forward to trying the whole process.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right, let's get started.
Let's do it.
It's supposed to like sizzle when you put it in.
Oh well.
It's okay. We'll get a sizzle shot.
Just add it in after.
Mm-hmm.
This is easy just to do that.
We might need more olive oil. Heaping tablespoon of miso paste. 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. A teaspoon of smoked paprika. A generous tablespoon of some nice mixed herbs. Another heaping tablespoon of garlic powder. Tablespoon of chili powder. Tablespoon of pepper. Tablespoons of liquid smoke.
For about 1.5.
Spoon of barbecue sauce. And 1 1/4 cups of vegetable stock. That is starting to look really burgery. We're going to add our vegetables to the wet mix, and this is ready to go to the blender. Take our wet mix over here, and we are going to run it through the blender.
I think I'll just pulse it. It's probably good.
All right, giving it the smell test. What does it smell like?
Smoky burgers.
Ooh,
Yeah,
nice. We're going to put our wet mix into the bowl with our Vital Wheat gluten, and we're going to start mixing that right on up. Extra bit of texture, we are going to add half a chopped onion in with our mix. We'll mix it up thoroughly for a bit, and then once it gets too hard to stir, we're going to take it out and start kneading it with our hands. once the bread is kneaded, we're going to take a rolling pin and we're ready to flatten it on out and get ready to cut our burgers. Now we're going to cut out our burgers. Now make sure when you do this part that you roll out the dough extra thin because it does expand quite a whole bunch once we put it in the steamer, which is coming next. Reveal like this.
That was very professional.
There we go, right? Sure. Right, now we're going to put these burgers into the steamer for 70 minutes. That's the one thing about this recipe. You got to let it steam for 70 minutes. So
And they could be done, you know, whatever, the night before also. They do freeze nicely also.
And now we wait. For our burger sauce, we're going to take 1/2 of a finely chopped onion and a minced clove of garlic and put that into a bowl. On top of that, we're going to add some mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, fish, and hot sauce. Put a good mix. And just like that, our sauce is done.
Finally, after an hour and 10 minutes, they're all ready to be fried now. So we're going to do 4 at a time. We got 4 here and 4 more in there, which we will do as the second batch. And can't wait. Oh, yeah, I put the oil in. That's good.
Those are looking good.
Yeah, we're gonna have to like pull the ones out. I'll do it right now, in fact, you know, just to show you what the difference between the way these look. They're about that thick, and these other ones.
Yeah, so last time we didn't make them as thin.
Because we didn't have a rolling pin.
There we go. So this was how thick our burgers were on the first attempt.
Yeah, I think those. Yeah, look at those. It looks like at least double of the other.
Yeah.
So
They were really
they're still
good.
very good. Yeah.
They were really good. And here are the new ones. Burgers are done. We're going to get ready here to
You should have heated these up.
start to assemble.
Do you still want these heated up?
Yep. Look at that. Something tells me we got the texture just right this time. All right, we're just toasting up some burger buns and then it is burger building time. Alright guys, time to build these burgers. We're going to put some of our sauce on each side of the buns for maximum flavor.
Who gets number 4?
That's a good question. We don't even have a bun cooked for that.
Yeah.
I'm going to get a little extra drizzle of the sauce.
Right on. Looks good.
I'm going to load this on up with some lettuce and tomatoes. Alright, there's a lot of lettuce on these, but that's okay. We like the lettuce.
Might be looking at a thumbnail here, huh?
Yeah. Alright, we've got our burgers here now, and we are about to do the taste test. What do you guys think?
Excellent, as expected.
How do these compare to last time?
Better, and like I said, they were already good before, so
I like them that they're not so huge and fat.
Mm-hmm.
They taste really good, similar to last time, but you know, I've only had one bite.
excellent. Right on.
Alright, what do you guys think?
I am completely down to have another.
Mike?
I think I can probably handle another one.
Yeah. Alright.
Sure.
Round 2 it is. Let's do it.
Well, I guess that does it for our second time of making completely homemade vegan burgers. What did you think?
Really good. We changed it up a bit. What all we do? We added more liquid smoke. We put chopped onions in the batter dough.
Yeah.
We put.
We use this.
That really helped.
Yeah.
We put barbecue sauce in. That was new. And they're much thinner. They're just way easier to deal with, like as far as fitting in the burger. I mean, the other ones were probably 3 times as thick.
Yeah.
Because we didn't have a rolling pin. So, came out really good, and definitely would do it again. It's interesting, the process. I mean, that they have to, once you get the burgers ready, you have to steam them for 70 minutes. It's a long time, you know, and if you can't do them all at once, like we still got the final few that are steaming over there, and then they freeze up really nice, and you can, you know, have them whenever, just like any frozen burger. So very good. But yeah, it'd be nice to come up with some, I don't know, if you live near the geysers or something, you could have them all steamed easily.
Yeah, and this time, let's see, I think we made 17 this time.
17 as opposed to 7
Yeah.
last time. That tells you how it was the same recipe as far as the amounts, and that we got 17 instead of 7 the ones before. Felt like that. I'm exaggerating, but
Yeah, I liked it a lot better this time. I think that the spices we got better. I thought the flavor of it was just right. The texture of this one was a lot more like a real hamburger.
yeah, the other ones, like, you know, like because they were so massive, just even to whatever, take bites out of them and stuff. Whereas these were like a burger.
I think they absorbed the flavor a lot better being thin like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I ended up actually having, we had a leftover one, so I ended up having 3, and I don't regret it a bit. Absolutely loved it. Definitely be down to do it again anytime.
Absolutely.
We're definitely, you know, on the way to opening, you know, a fast food restaurant, vegan, well, not so fast, but Still, if they were frozen, they could be, you just take them out. That's the way they do them in fast food restaurants, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Throw on those frozen patties.
Yeah. Well, I guess that'll pretty much do it. So, thank you for watching, you guys, and look forward to more delicious content to come. And see you guys in the next video.